Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily adjust videos in CapCut in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I am on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you are on an Android. So first of all, open up the CapCut application. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on new project and select any random video. Now for example, I want to change or adjust all the parameters of this video like brightness, saturation, contrast. I can do that by simply tapping on adjust button right here, and now it will show me all the parameters like brightness, saturation, contrast, brilliance, sharpness. For example, I want to increase the brightness and a bit saturation too, and contrast, and you can see the difference. Now if I see it right now, it seems to be a little bit of different. So that's how you can easily change all the parameters, or how you can easily adjust a video in CapCut. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button.